guys, welcome back to Tika's Kitchen. Today I will share my secret way of making my homemade pasta under half hour. Now, it's easy to grab some frozen ravioli or gnocchi from the freezer. This too can be served under half hour if you have some potatoes and flour at home. So let's get started. To make this delicious meal right here, all you need is 4 medium to large potatoes. Put into hot water and some salt and let it cook until tender. Strain it and let it dry off really nice before start mashing. Make sure to mash each potato nice and smooth, no clumps. You can use your finger to smooth it out. Add 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, some salt, some cayenne pepper, any amount as you need it. Make a little pool and we will gradually add our flour in here. I'm starting with 1 cup of flour. Keep folding it in so it's evenly mixed. So far I use 1 cup of flour. Now I will add my dough onto the counter and fold in again. This is a whole different process of kneading. It's not like when you're making bread and you're adding water to mix. This potato has its own moisture, so you have to be extra careful in folding it nicely. I need just a little more flour in here, so altogether about 1.25 cups of flour. Gently fold in. Divide into 4 equal parts. We'll work with 1 part at a time. To make the traditional gnocchi, they cut very small and takes up a lot of time. But like I said, I will be stuffing these with my ricotta cheese. I need it to be a nice size like this. You can go smaller, but it will be much harder to fill. About 6 or 7 pieces per person. This with some side salad. You'll be good to go for dinner. Sprinkle a little flour to keep it nice and dry there. And let's work with our ricotta cheese. Add some salt, cayenne pepper, and some black pepper. Give this a mix. You can add spinach to this. I'm just going with the basic because I will have some salad with dinner today. Press evenly. You don't need to roll this out. We'll try to go as quick as possible to have a delicious dinner. Now you could make any shape you like. This is faster for me, so whatever works. almost done, all done here. I already have my water boiling with some salt in it. Add pasta to boiling water. Let this cook about 5 minutes or so. When it raises up, that's when it's finished. And there you go, just as this. Let's prepare our sauce. Add garlic, tomatoes, celery, some onion, and some sweet basil, chopped sweet basil. Add about 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. I add a little bit of the pasta water so this can get more juicy in here. Salt, black pepper, some more cayenne pepper, any amount as you need. Add your pasta and let this cook about 8 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure the liquid get through nicely with your pasta, and the pasta also get the next few minutes in cooking time here. Time to plate. I promise you guys, you try making your own pasta and serve your dinner under half hour, you'll be good. Let's add some garnish to this. Some more sweet basil. Sprinkle all over. And some green shallot. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. Let me try this. Of course, what can go wrong with this? Absolutely delicious. And now you can use up your leftovers potato to do this delicious meal. All right. Okay guys, I hope you try this recipe and I hope you enjoy it. Another thing you can do is share this video, share my recipes, subscribe, give a thumb up. Everything you do encourage me to keep sharing my vegetarian recipe with you all. Take care. Bye.